Welcome to another edition of Cooking Unlocked, the drinking edition. So right now we are going to work on an old fashioned. It is a new favorite of mine, thanks to a few of my very dear friends they're huge bourbon connoisseurs, and they have shown me the way of deliciousness. So old fashions are incredibly simple to make. Whiskey glass, sugar cubes, orange, good bitters. My favorite are the Peychaud's. Is a fantastic bitter. It's really the best. And bourbon. So sugar cubes. Then you want to get your bitters. I like to use my bitters so that it actually turns my sugar cubes pink. That's how I know I've got enough in there. Very scientific. Then, cut your orange. You're only using about a quarter of it. Squeeze it in. Now, use your muddling stick. And you are going to smash that orange and crush those sugar cubes. You are going to muddle by smashing that orange, crushing all of your delicious sugar. And once your sugar is totally dissolved and you've really beaten the heck out of that orange, it's bourbon time. About 2.5 ounces is your classic pour, and you top it off with a single ice cube. You don't want to over ice your old fashioned because it'll water down or bruise your bourbon. Now that is beautiful. Salud.